everyone, welcome to Poppy DIY Crafts. Today we're going to be making a metallic dish. So this is the mold that we're going to be using. It has a very cool pebble effect on it. And we're also going to be using the metallic alcohol inks from Resin. In the previous video, I made swatches of the 24 colors in this set. So here are the 4 colors that I'll be using today. So let's go ahead and get started. These alcohol inks are really cool, but before you use them, make sure to shake it, because the colors settle to the bottom. So you gotta give them a very good shake before using. So for this project, instead of mixing the alcohol ink into the resin, I'm gonna drop the ink directly onto the mold, and then I'm gonna add the resin on top. Hopefully this will give us a really cool effect. Okay, taking our resin, we're gonna pour it straight in. This is looking really cool. Now let's let it cure. Alright everyone, so it's been 24 hours and this is what our plate looks like so far. I just love all the different colors. So the next thing we want to do is add a final layer of resin on the back, but in black. So I'm going to be using the black epoxy resin from Resin. This is a very, very saturated black, and I think it'll look really good on the bottom of this dish. So I'm going to ahead and add a few drops. And give it a good mix. And you can see how saturated this is. It's very hard to find opaque black, so I really like this formula. As you can see, it is super dark. You can't even see the wood on the stick here. And we're just going to pour it on the back in a thin layer. Now all we have to do is wait for it to cure. Alright everyone, so it's been another day and we are now ready to demold. Look how shiny this is. I really love this black pigment. Oh wow, look at this. I love all the different colors in here. Okay, so here is the dish. You can see all the different kind of metallic colors in there. The back, of course, is black. And this is looking so good. What do you guys think? This is so pretty. Alright everyone, so this is a really cool set of metallic alcohol inks. If you want to see the swatches, you can watch my other videos. I have a full set of these swatches so that you can see the colors. And we also have this black epoxy ink pigment. This is really, really saturated, and I think I'll be using this from now on for all black backgrounds. So all the links are down below in the description, and I'll see you next time. Bye!